Hey everyone, this is me and my son Duke. We're gonna be doing a
mimic
of the Ratchet Girl Anthem.
What's
We
up?
think it was funny, and we're in the house bored finna have a good time. And hope you guys like it. If you don't, oh well, we do. Here we go.
This your boy Emmanuel and Hudson. Follow me on Twitter. Girl.
So you just gonna play the music.
Oh my God.
Who the heck come out the house looking like that?
She is doing dance.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I'm about to take this half a picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got, my Mr. A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoe whistle. I had to keep it cute today. Apple bottom jeans for a juke today. I had to keep it listening to my baby that just made their heel thug heel shoe today. New baby, need new shoes today. Child support check in 2 days. Yesterday, girl, did you get a glue today? Gon' be fit up. Move, tramp. It's the 15, I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing, a brand new tag. $95 for this weed plus tax. Wow, really everything we think about. They do anything that his cake alone. Thinking that you better than I am, but then you think you stupid. My number, boy, bye. Hey girl, you look good. Turn around, let me see what you did just to win. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye. OMG, what do she have on? Her legs front is all wrong. I'm about to take this half a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriend call me Kari. Club is free before 11, drinking, then we party. Yes, I am the baddest. You can't have this boo-boo, sorry. Cause 2 Chainz is my future baby dad. Mari, got my dirty dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Pound, Team Darcy. You don't like them red bones? Go look at my pictures. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone. Cream Clips Brown. If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He Paying. What you saying? You might as well spend it on me. I mean, you ain't nothing. You ain't nothing. What you supposed to do?
You fake.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
I'm about to take this half a picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. Why you left with her leopard skin? Why you go with why would you get leopard skin? You look like you came out of a jungle. Okay, your hair look like a jungle man. You got leopard skin and everything. Oh my God.
What you gonna do?
Boy, bye. Hey, bye.